A big boost for French President Nicolas Sarkozy and German Chancellor Angela Merkel. Their economies, the two largest in the eurozone, surprised analysts and pulled out of a deep recession. Chris Burns has more from our Paris newsroom. Good morning, Chris.
Good morning, Scarlett. Quite a dramatic turnaround. Both the French and German economies, those are the two largest in the eurozone, having expanded by 0.3% in the second quarter of this year. That confounded analysts who saw it being minus 0.3 for quarter-on-quarter for France, minus 0.2 for Germany. And Christine Lagarde went on the radio, the French finance minister, and really credited her boss, Sarkozy, saying it's thanks to rising exports that he's been pushing, and also his stimulus plan, some 30 billion euros, tax cuts, public works programs, cash for clunkers, and his approval rating is up. That's panning out. On Angela Merkel's side, she is definitely benefiting from that 80 billion euros in stimulus, and that is boosting her election chances for next month. Scarlett.
And we definitely did see the euro rising on the release of both those reports. What about eurozone GDP figures?
Well, that's right. We just got that at the top of the hour, and that really was propelled by those French and German news. Minus 0.1%. That is down, but it is still better than what analysts expected, a 0.5% shrinkage in the eurozone economy in the second quarter. So one analyst at JP Morgan had said that after the French and German figures came out, that he saw it closer to flat. And it did come out that way.
Okay, so all of this begging the question, will this turnaround boost calls for an exit strategy then?
Well, yeah, right. And pressure on the European Central Bank, Jean-Claude Trichet over there has been saying for months that we have to start looking at an exit strategy, not only for the bank, but also for governments. That pressure will come to bear on those leaders, on Merkel, on Sarkozy, and others. That is why this morning Christine Lagarde goes on the radio and makes kind of a preemptive strike, saying, look, we got here because of public investment. We got to get private investment going. That is very key. The Bank of France warning that there could be stagnation in the third quarter. So it's still, the jury's still out.
Okay, economic recovery, at least for now, seems to be the theme. Thanks so much, Chris Burns in Paris.